considerable prayer, we decided to do something a little different because of what really is going on right now. We want to let people know, first of all, that I'm going to be doing a radio show this evening with Shannon Davis on Omega Man Radio, 9 to 11, 2 hours. That's Central Time, 9 to 11 p.m. And we're going to be talking about what is an increasingly vital subject, which is the role of spiritual warfare and witchcraft in terms of what's going on in our political situation right now. And we need people to get involved, both in terms of the spiritual warfare aspects of it and prayer, but we also need people to get involved in terms of not being apathetic, and please going out and going to the voting booth, because these midterm elections are obviously going to be probably the most critical midterm elections that I can remember in my lifetime. We are going to be talking about the underpinnings of what is going on, the spiritual war in our nation's government, and we're going to be talking about strategies and tactics for overthrowing the enemy and the way he has gotten his hooks into the leadership of our nation. We're going to be giving important tactical information for people that are intercessors to help them pray more effectively and with greater intelligent understanding of what's really going on. So please share this video. Please get it out to as many people as possible. We have thousands of subscribers, I think more than 25,000 subscribers, and if every one of you would catch this video and share it with all your friends and let everybody know about this, because this is going to be a real call to arms like never before. Thank you, and please tune in tonight, 9 to 11 p.m. Central Time on Omega Man Radio. Shannon Davis and I are going to be tackling this important subject. Thank you. Please pray.